I have something that I got in the mail yesterday and I wanted to show you all before I open it and use it with my students. I am Dina Rennick and this is my art classroom. This is where I sit all the time when I'm teaching online. So here it is, my Amazon package. It's this big and I wanted to show you because when I ordered it, I didn't really know what it looked like and it was kind of like a shot in the dark. So I wanted to show y'all in case you're interested. My students on Thursday are going to be melting aluminum, and this is the crucible that I'm going to be using, but I wanted a quick way to have them be able to make a one-part mold so that we can do it in a very short amount of time. So I melted down the aluminum and I've got a bunch of these 14 that are made out of cans and aluminum scraps from my neighbors and my students. And then in order to make a quick turnaround and be able to fire it this week since school is about to be done and I have seniors who are about to be done with school, I ordered casting sand. So this is casting sand. I wasn't sure how much to order. I have a small sculpture class and half of them are in person. So I invited another class to join us. We're going to be doing this on Thursday and I ordered 10 pounds. Someone in the reviews said that it's kind of like a 10-pound bag of flour, which I thought would be pretty good since we are just doing a few and we're going to press mold kind of smaller objects. So here we go. I'm opening it. Sure enough, it's about the size of a bag of flour. Here we go. Hold on. So if you're curious, this is what a 10-pound bag of casting sand is. It's Teton Black 120. It is about like a bag of flour. It's 10 pounds. It came in 10 pounds, 25 pounds, and 50 pounds. I was actually going to order the 25-pound bag, but first of all, I'm paying for it with my own money because the cutoff for spending is already over, but I really wanted to do this. And second of all, I wanted to have time to actually play with it before we cast on Thursday. So this 10-pound one was going to come in. I ordered it on Saturday, and it said it would come in on Monday, which it did. But the 25-pound one was a range of about a week, and I didn't want to wait. So 10 pounds sand. It's casting sand, ready to use. Suitable for non-ferrous and ferrous materials. Use liberal, even layer of parting dust to prevent sticking of pattern. Ram or press thoroughly for best results. So it has this top. Got a little Ziploc bag. That's my bell ringing. So school's about to start. It's got this little Ziploc top. This is the sand. I didn't think this through very well. Yeah, so it packs in nicely. It's already preset. It's already got the moisture in it. So today I'm going to have my students play with it. We'll make a little, probably a wooden mold to put it in and then press their objects in. And then we will pour it on Thursday. So if you're wondering what a 10-pound bag of this looks like, this is it. So 25 would be, 2.5 times that. We do the mold today. We are going to make our one-part press molds, put some objects in there. Thursday, we will melt the aluminum down, pour them into the molds, and I'll videotape that and let you know how that goes. But as far as this, if you just want to know, boom, there it is. I will tell you it says, test by squeezing a handful of sand in hand. If the sand will not hold form, mix small amount of water into product via spray bottle, mist, and mix well. Use the minimum amount water needed to restore cohesion. Generally, only a tiny bit of water is required. Up to 4% water by weight may be required if completely dry. If sand is too wet, sticks to hand or patterns, leaves water on hand, feels like mud, spread sand pile out and allow to dry before using. Never pour molten metal on visibly wet sand. So there we go. I hope you're all having a great day. If you found this useful, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for stopping by. Have a great day. Love ya. Bye. Mwah.